Okay, so we would like to find the derivative of this function. It's not your garden variety function, but it involves certain rules of several rules of differentiation. So it's the derivative of 2 to the x times cosine x plus sine x over square root of x times tangent x plus secant x. And let's write everything that we're going to use. So overall, we're using the quotient rule because overall this is a quotient. So the derivative of f of x over g of x is the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. Then we will need the product rule. The derivative of the product of two functions is the derivative of the first times the second plus the first times the derivative of the second. We also need some specific derivative. So the derivative of a to the x is a to the x ln a. The derivative of square root of x is 1 over 2 square root of x, which actually it's a special case of the fact that the derivative of x to the a is a times x to the a minus 1. The derivative of sine x is cosine x. The derivative of cosine x is negative sine x. The derivative of tangent x is secant square of x, or 1 over cosine square of x, the same thing. The first way of writing it is more concise. And the derivative of secant x is secant x times tangent x. Or tangent x times secant x, it's the same thing. So this is everything we need to know in order to carry out this differentiation. And so let's do it. So we will have a quite big first derivative to put in here times the denominator minus the numerator times a big derivative, which will be the derivative of the denominator over the denominator square. Let's start by writing here the square of the denominator. Let's also write the denominator in here. So square root of x times tangent x plus secant x. And here we have 2 to the x times cosine x plus sine x. It might be a good idea to pause the video here so that you can clearly see that what we placed are the three things that do not change. So this, and that for the quotient rule. And that's also the reason why we said that the big picture for this problem is that we're dealing with the quotient rule. Now we have to worry about the derivative of the top and the derivative of the bottom. And here the top is the sum of two things, one of which is a product. So the derivative of the second summand of sine x is cosine x. We write it here. And now the derivative of 2 to the x times cosine x, for this we need to use the product rule. So that will be 2 to the x ln 2 times cosine x plus the first one, which is 2 to the x, times the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine x. As for the derivative of the denominator, again, we have to apply the product rule for the first summand. And then we have to put the derivative of secant x, which is tangent x times secant x. And how about the derivative of square root of x times tangent x? This will be the derivative of the first, which is 1 over 2 square root of x, times tangent x plus square root of x times secant square of x, which is the derivative of tangent x. And this way, everything is where it should be. And that's it. That's the derivative we were looking for. Thanks for watching.